Join me as I look into actual content creator studios from fellow YouTubers. This series, Inside the Content Creator Studio, will give you a behind-the-camera view of what's inside other home studios, what gear they use, why they use it, what they recommend, and sometimes what they don't recommend. They'll even give you some tips if you're just a beginner. Inside the Content Creator Studio will feature studios from YouTubers, podcasters, vloggers, musicians, gamers, and any other content creators. Every studio is different, and if you want to follow along and check out all the different studios, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you get the notifications. And if you'd like to have your studio featured in this series, send me an email. You can find my email address on the About section of my YouTube channel, or you can head to audiotechtv.com and contact me through there. No studio setup too big or too small. I'd love to have a look inside your studio. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and I'll see you inside the Content Creator Studio.